And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable place to track clients, their companies, and where each relationship stands, all inside a clean Notion database. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page from the sidebar. Give yourself a blank canvas so everything you add lives in one place. Name the page CRM. Keeping the title short and clear makes it easy to find later. If you like, you can add an icon or cover, but that's optional and won't affect how the system works. Inside the page, add a table database. The fastest way is to type the / command and search for a table view, then insert it. This creates a database that looks like a spreadsheet, but is much more powerful, because each row can hold rich details and be opened as its own page. Rename the first column to client. This is your primary identifier for each entry, so think of it as the person or account you're managing. Because it's the title property, it's what you'll see in linked views and searches, so keep names consistent and clear. Next, add a second column and rename it to company. Keep this as a simple text property so you can quickly type in the organization the client is part of. Consistency helps here as well. Using the same spelling every time will make grouping and sorting cleaner later. Create a third column for email. Change the property type to email, so Notion validates the format and lets you click to start a message directly from the database. This keeps your outreach one click away. Add a fourth column called phone. Set the property type to phone so it's formatted correctly and easy to tap from mobile. You don't need to include country codes or special formatting. Notion handles the basics for you. Now, add a fifth column named status. Set this to a select property and create a few stages that match your process, like lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, won, or lost. You can always refine these later. Color coding. Each option helps you scan the table at a glance. With your structure in place, start entering information. Each new row is a client. Fill in the company, email, phone, and assign a status. You can open any row to add notes, meeting summaries, or next steps right in the page body. As your list grows, consider sorting by status or filtering to focus on active deals. Keep entries up to date, and your Notion CRM will stay accurate, actionable, and ready whenever you are.